Welcome to Early Career Learning Lab's Coaches Training. Part 3, Coaching Around a Problem of Practice. During the first meeting with early career educators, the program coordinator will help each ECE determine a problem of practice. After the problem of practice has been identified, you will reflect on the coaching questions you could use to guide each ECE through their problem of practice, and you will record them in your coaching plan. An enrollment conversation is a really good way to start this coaching conversation. Enrollment means getting someone's permission to coach, him or her. When this step is skipped, we wonder what went wrong in coaching, and we can sometimes end up blaming the teacher for not being cooperative. Sometimes we assume we have permission to coach, or that the goals of coaching are already clear, such as through developing the problem of practice. However, these are dangerous assumptions to make, and in fact, the very work of establishing clarity between the coach and the ECE can act to deepen the coaching relationship and accelerate the pace of change. Begin an enrollment conversation by asking for explicit permission. You can see some sample questions above. These shared agreements are important because both the coach and the ECE may become discouraged when difficulties are encountered. Next, you should refer to the self-assessment and the problem of practice. In your coaching plan, record 2 tools or strategies you would use to address the problem of practice. During your enrollment conversation, ask the ECE to set a goal. When expected outcomes are articulated, this increases buy-in for the ECE. Setting goals also helps you anticipate possible barriers and address them ahead of time. You can make some mutual commitments as to what will happen when obstacles arise. The purpose of enrollment is to increase the likelihood of success for the ECEs. Don't forget, though, that while an enrollment process is useful at the beginning of a coaching relationship, you must tend to the ongoing need for enrollment and re-enrollment of your ECE group over time. It is not a one-and-done process. Next, you will use the library of resources to identify some tools or strategies that you would use to share to address the needs of the problem of practice. In your coaching plan, you'll record what questions you can ask the ECEs about the tools and strategies you've identified. Take some time to fill out the first page of your coaching plan. You can find the link in your reflection journal. On the second page of the coaching plan, you are asked to think about the social-emotional challenges that ECEs face. Take some time to identify coaching questions and tools or strategies you would use to support ECEs in addressing the social-emotional challenges they face. Answer these questions in your coaching plan.